If you wanna increase your players' health in Road to Glory in College Football 27, it's actually really easy and it's something you'll wanna keep an eye on throughout your season. As you play games, your players' health will slowly decrease and that can affect your performance, your ratings, and even increase the chances of getting injured. To restore your health, go to the main Road to Glory menu, then open the Actions tab. From there, select Weekly Agenda. You'll see several different activities you can spend your weekly energy on. Choose the health option and here you'll find the risk of injury upgrade. Simply spend your available energy to increase your health. The amount of energy required can change depending on your current health level. As your health improves, you'll reduce your wear and tear, lower your injury risk, and keep your player in better condition for upcoming games. You can always check your current season health and career health right on the screen so you always know where your player stands. That's all you need to do. Keep investing energy into health whenever you need it, and you'll have a much better chance of staying healthy all season long. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.